Philippines!
Good morning. Hey, where you going? Tommy? Hey. Good morning, guys. Maayong buntag sa lahat. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will pull it. Where you going? Good morning. Maayong buntag, maayong hapon, maayong umaga. Yan. Parang hindi sobrang mainit, maginaw-ginaw. May mga ibon. Ito yung ginawa ko kahapon. Kahapon ba yun? Or the other day? Yung itim na ano, kinontinue ko siya. Oh, we have delivery? When was that? Two of them?
Yeah, one is from December, one's from March. I see paper sticking out of the door.
Oh, really? How much?
March was $410.
Oh,
December was $355.
Oh my god. Is that automatic, I guess?
Yeah, my young bulldog.
This camera, guys, is acting up. Nag-acting na ng camera. Sobrang green na yung ano, damo. So, we need to cut very soon. So, ang gagawin ko ngayong araw pala, guys, is maglinya. I think patay na ito eh. Let me see, oh. Makikita mo naman, oh, patay na talaga siya, oh. Dry na, oh. Dry. Patay. So, I'm gonna cut this. What?
Okay, it won't let me format. If I change the system to PAL.
No, don't even, no, don't change.
I'm going to change it to PAL and then see if it lets, see, it still doesn't let me format.
Alam nyo, ang mali dito is maikli. Kita nyo, hindi siya masyadong mataas. So, yun, parang may extra. Yeah. Mayong buntok. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna go out. Well, still nice. And
What are you going to do?
I'm just gonna dig line to make it nicer. That when we put mulch, you won't go run to the grass. That there is a boundary. Yeah. That's how you do it.
Because it puts a boundary.
No, that's expensive
No,
though.
but it's nice looking.
Huh?
But it looks nice.
Yeah. I know it's nice looking, but
So even if we just get regular, you know, bad,
yung likod niya is hindi pa rin okay.
like this, see how it goes out like that? Cut in, because that's where our bush was.
Yeah,
So cut in.
of course.
I mean, I guess we can go out like that.
No, I'm
Put
just
another bush there, but
no, I'm just gonna put bush in there, but I'm just gonna straight and then widen a little bit over there because it's
no,
really
but we can't what?
you can't go out.
We can't go out?
You
I can if I shower.
no, you have a pain. You after you took it last night, you fall asleep.
That's good.
I said I'm not gonna wake you up.
Years.
Last night I said I'm not gonna wake you up
I
until.
wake up at night and then there's so much pain I can't go back to sleep because
I
I wake
know.
up to the bathroom and I can't go.
Olives really works for me when it comes to pain.
It doesn't work.
Yeah, and makes you go sleepy and
But-
fall asleep.
Somebody told me I should use Tylenol instead.
Tylenol, yeah, Tylenol is really been
Because
taking.
Tylenol affects your liver and Aleve affects your kidneys, so I'm better off
Oh, really?
something that affects your liver.
Really affects your kidney?
Yes.
The olive?
Advils, Aleve, ibuprofen in general affects your kidneys.
Oh my God! I take once or twice a month.
You don't have a problem with your kidneys. With normal people, it's
Hoy, the family, we have the kidney problem.
well,
Ano pala si Tamimoy kanina, maaga siya bumangon. Iwan ko, bumangon siya ng maaga, and then ang ginawa niya is nagluto siya ng toast with cinnamon, kasi gusto niya ng cinnamon. It's good for the heart daw, and then good for whatever he felt right now. So, kasi may naramdaman siya, di ba? Anyway, so and then lalabas tayo, mag-start tayo sa labas, and then baka mamaya punta tayo ng Home Depot. Bibili lang ako ng additional lupa. And additional ang gastos guys kapag may garden. And magastos siya pero worth it kasi marami kang ma-harvest kung marami kang itatanim. And also yung sa front yard namin, yung sa mga bulaklak namin, mag-order kami ng mulch, and then Tommy is planning to buy a boundary from the yard to the garden. Like, parang may maganda siyang tignan ba. Pero alam nyo naman, mahal yan guys. Ang mahal ng ano dito guys, bato. Mahal yung bato dito. Doon sa bukid, maglugit-lugit ka lang. Ang dami ng bato makukuha mo sa kalsada. Ganon. Yung kanin natin guys. Uy, buhaghag man. Uy, buhaghag ba yung sa Tagalog? Guys, alis kami guys, nakatulog ako guys, sabi ko kay Tami, naligo siya, sabi ko, pukawin na, wake me up before you go. Sabi ko, anuhin mo ako ha, kasi nakatulog ako. This is going to where?
Just put it right on top of that bin for now.
Hindi ko pa natapos dito. Hindi ko tinapos. Napagod ako. Hi guys. So 80 yung pag-count ko doon.
80 younger bunks? Guys, 80 younger bunks.
Tignan nyo guys. Ay, nagpasalamat talaga ako nito. Basta ganito na yan.
80 younger bunks and 90 pickles.
Oh, nagpasalamat talaga. Look, you cut that tree. So nagpasalamat talaga ako guys na ganito si Tami. Kasi kapag ano yan, ano,
annoying? Who's annoying? I think you're annoying. What are you talking about annoying?
I said I'm always happy when I see you talking like that. Because I'm not worried. Because I'm always worried when you are sick. Like, yun, nakatulog ako guys, kaya mahubag-hubag, sulin itong face ko. That's good. I was so sleepy guys, I can't even continue outside. I can't. Too much. It's like, I wanna lie down. Lubat na pala ako guys. Andito kami ngayon sa Walmart. And then punta kami Home Depot pagkatapos nito. Bili tayo ng broccoli para sa gulay natin. Mag-broccoli tayo guys. Coconut milk, ito lang yung andito sa kanila, so bibili tayo dalawa coconut milk. Sammy, what else you looking?
Tomato.
Bibili na naman si Tami ng tomato sauce kasi sabi niya wala. Ano siya? Crushed tomato? Crushed tomato. It's right here. This is one we use, son.
Okay.
This is what we use. Ali, this is no salt added.
That's even better.
Okay guys, punta tayong Home Depot. We're not going to turn here. We're going to turn in the next one. So yeah. Can you imagine that pizza is a $300? Look at this. Pizza, 300. Home Depot. Poo, 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 poo. We're coming. Ning, 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 ning. We're turning. Ning, 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 ning. They're busy. See. No, you cannot park here. It's full. Mostly people park here closer. I don't know why, because
you want to wheel the stones out and the dirt crap, so people.
Okay.
There's one right there next to that black truck.
Okay. Oh, I like that truck. Lon, you're gonna hit that truck. That truck is so nice and nice. That's the kind of Jeep I want. Wrangler. Shahara. A Jeep Wrangler. Okay, we're here. This is the same thing, but it's green. Oh no, it's different. Where's your hon? The one that in front? The front mom's house? Hold on. No, that's a different one. That will go. Do we have that in front of the house? No, we have this in front. Yeah, this is that we have. The one that we don't. Expensive, man, hon. They're expensive.
Same as these, but these are red. I mean, do you want the red ones?
No, I don't want the red ones. Hi guys! So, ngayon guys, punta kami sa different side kasi sa ibang Home Depot kasi they have that on sale guys. It's really cheap. It's like 4 for $1. So, bibili daw si Tami ng mga 200 pieces, right Han? That we have extra for the tree.
I don't think it's just in the backyard, but you may have other things in your head.
Meron kami pagkain dito sa baba. Galing kasi kami sa Walmart. Can you show them how when mom's afraid of your driving?
Hey, you're driving.
No, you're driving.
She didn't do it with me.
Okay.
You.
Okay, can you show it? That's who she is, yung mother-in-law ko. Yan guys, tignan niya yan. Dami.
No, I appreciate it. I'm good. But if you need a hand, let me know.
No, I'm good.
I'm here. You find it better ordering it, getting it this way, or having somebody deliver like a truckload of it? Well, but it's this cheap. It's like a bag. You know? It's too much for two people.
I don't hear poison ivy. I don't even have to touch it.
All you gotta do is breathe it.
For poison oak and sumac, I can rip it off, add it around right now.
Really?
Poison ivy, no go with me.
Oh, no, I can't touch any of it. Still, $2 a bag. I didn't think it was that cheap. At least not the last time I got it.
So now guys, drive si Tami yung mga stone doon. Maano yan. Slowly lang daw siya. She's driving very slow for the sake of the rocks. So now every time we turn this, we'll turn to, oh my god, everything will go like that. Oh my god, oh my god. Ala, slowly.
Any slower, I won't make the light.
When is our anniversary?
Tomorrow.
But you said 2?
No, you said how many years? And I said 2.
Yeah, he said 2. It's too long.
Too many.
Too many. It's been too long. We've been too long together, so we have to let go. Are we gonna let go each other? Are you gonna let go of me?
Not until you get rid of these rocks.
Guys, he said it's the best gift. It's the anniversary gift. The rocks. Look guys, natuwad baliskad yun guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, natuwad baliskad. Ito guys, bumili si Tami. Nagustuhan niya yung drinks. Ito yung chicken at saka broth. Indian. So, nagutom ako eh. Mag-snack lang ako. Now, it's time to make some chicken adobo. Mag-chicken adobo tayo. Iba yung chicken adobo ko kay Rotisserie. Masarap kasi siya guys. And also, magagamit ko yung meat. So, double purpose yung chicken rotisserie natin. Chicken soup. And then, yung mga buto-buto is adobo. Masarap yun guys. Supsupin mo yung adobo mo. Diba? Adobuhin ko talaga. So, yun. Pero, yung chicken soup bukas na. Ang gagawin ko na lang is itong chicken na ito is anuhin natin. Nag-wash na ako ng kamay. So, yun. So, ito, masarap ito guys. Yung mga ganito, adobuhin mo. Oh, namit good. Ang ganda talaga ng ano guys. Yung ano, chicken sa Walmart. Maganda talaga siya as in. Yung maganda yung luto. Masarap yung luto nila. And hindi siya boring. And din ang amoy. Sus, grabe yung amoy guys. Amoy namit good. Kita ninyo yan? Oh. Yun. Ayan siya. And then, itong mga legs, i-ano ko to siya kasi konti lang naman yung meat. Diyan. And then, itong thighs, ito dito, ang gagawin ko is, malinis naman yung kamay ko. Palagi naman ako maghinaw-hinaw. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. Lime is the best. I think dalawahin kasi marami siya guys. Ipakita ko nga sa inyo. Ito lang yung ano niya. Look, ito lang. And marami na yan kapag gisi-gisiin mo. Gisi-gisiin talaga. Okay, nahihilo naman ako. Ay, iwan ko bakit nahilo ako. Yun guys. Ang sarap nito guys. Kahit buto. So, ito siya guys. Diba? Kita nyo? Buto-buto. Hubs, are you starving? Gutom si Hubs. Ay. What happened?
I can't sit there for a minute without them climbing all over me.
Because they're annoying. I rip the chicken and then I make the chicken adobo. That's for your chicken.
Ripping chicken?
Yeah, that's for tomorrow. And this is all the bone, look.
Why don't you put chicken in the adobo?
There is meat in there. It's nice when you pick the bone. Enjoyable when licking. That's what happened when licking part.
I can always get another chicken for tomorrow.
No, that's for your soup.
I know, but I can always get another chicken for the soup.
No. That's what I said. Seriously. Seriously. La 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 la. Take me deeper. Deeper in love with you. Deeper love. This is what you add, guys. You add water. When you put soy in your food, add a lot of water, guys. Add a lot of water. There you go. It's right freaking here. Han, somebody's crying. Where is he? Laundry? Siya, guys. Ito yung ano natin, guys. Init lang ako ng mga ulam kasi kakain na kami and yun, kain tayo. Hey guys, gusto ko sanang mag-bless ba? Parang i-pray or i-bless kami ni Tami sa kasal. Di ba nasabi ko sa inyo kasi plano talaga namin magpa-kasal or kahit hindi man lang walang papel. Gusto lang namin yung pastor, pare, ganon. And yun, gusto ko lang prayer pero yung uncle ko, minisage ko siya ay parang ayaw niya, gusto niya yung in person. So sabi ko, okay. So ayaw niya, gusto niya, sabi niya in person daw. And then wala man ako sa Pilipinas, ang gusto ko lang naman is prayer. I-pray lang kami ni Tamimoy. Yung yung ano namin, hindi yung kasal-kasal talaga, parang i-pray lang ba, i-bless lang kami, ganun. Yung uncle ko, parang gusto niyang person, so, sabi ko, okay, and I think that's not gonna happen for a long time, kasi, siya lang kasi yung ano, guys, siya lang kasi yung kilala kong pastor, and uncle ko pa. So, hindi mangyayari, so, next time na lang, pakasal na lang kami ni Tami sa Pinas, sa Davao, next time, so, hopefully, yun yung kasal na walang papel. Kasi mas kuti-kuti pang daming papel. Gusto lang namin na parang ma-feel ng family ko ba na kinasal kami. Ganon, ma-feel nila. So yun. Yun lang naman, ma-feel lang nila. And then, i-bless kami. Ipag-pray yung namin. Yung marriage namin. Ganon. Simple lang. So, itong si Tami, kakain na kami. Ano pa, mag-ano-ano pa. Lumabas pa talaga manigarilyo. Hindi talaga niya ano. Nakapag-change na tayo, lahat-lahat. Anyway, so, yun. And, i-in ko na tong vlog. Kasi, katatapos ko lang. Gumawa na ba ako ng thumbnail? Wala, hindi pa pala. Oh, gagawa pa lang. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat, guys. Salamat sa time. Bye. Good night.